Good morning, students. My name is Professor P.S. Chimmer, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SGBIT, Belagavi. Today we will do the V-fitting. So, as a part of workshop and machine shop practice lab, we will see how to do the V-fitting. First of all, let us see the dimensions required for the V-fitting. These are the final dimensions of V-fitting, and this sort of a shape you have to make it. So, dimensions are 40 by 40 is the length and breadth in mm. The dimensions for the V is 22 mm in length and breadth 20 mm. And for the lower part, dimensions for V are again 22 mm in length and breadth 20 mm. So, tools required for this are bench vise. We require flat file, triangular file, square file, hacksaw blade, hacksaw frame, hammer, tri-square and punch, angle plate, vernier height gauge for marking purpose. So initially you will be given two metal workpiece. The dimensions of these two metal pieces would be more than what exactly is required. So probably it will be around 42 by 42 mm or it can be 44 by 42 mm. So you need to file these pieces on both the sides till you get the final dimension of 40 by 40. Now hold the workpiece with the help of bench vise and file on one of the edge. File it in such a way that it becomes flat. After that, rotate it, file on the other side. File in such a way that both the edges are flat completely and perpendicular to each other. So, with the help of this device called tri-square, you check whether both the edges are perpendicular to each other. After that, apply chalk paste on the workpieces. After applying the chalk paste, now you have to do the marking. Now it's 20 mm, not 22 mm. Please note it. So from the bottom at a distance of 20 mm, mark it. After that, after being marking 20 mm, mark 10 mm from the bottom. Now rotate it by then 180 degree on the other side mark 10 mm. Now tilt the workpiece by 90 degree and now mark 22 mm. So these marking whatever you are observing, these are being done with reference to your what the dimensions are shown in the previous figure. The second slide which is being shown with the reference to that, these markings are done. So these markings are done for the upper part. Now with the help of a scale and a blade, just a reference V mark is drawn. See, this is how it is being done. Similarly on the other side it is being done like this. After this you have to do the punching on this anvil. Do punching properly exactly on the lines which are already drawn with the help of blade. And this is how the punching is being done. Now next is you have to hold the workpiece on bench vise and you have to cut with the help of hacksaw blade. This hacksaw blade is held it in frame. Make sure that while cutting keep some allowance. See how it is being done. Keep some 0.5 to 1 mm allowance and then cut it. This is being done. Similarly on the other side you have to do it. Now after this on both sides it is being done. Now on the V part we have to cut it. See how this person is holding it now. Wherever dots are visible, just 0.5 mm keep allowance and cut the metal from outside. This is how being done now. Similarly on the other side you have to do it. So this is, we can see it is being done here too. And finally when the material is being cut, you have to file it with the help of a square file. You have to file it properly so that a proper finish and the required dimensions are obtained. That's why you have to keep some allowance of 0.5 to 1 mm. So this is the final workpiece done after filing on both the side. If you feel that there is not being filed properly, again you can keep it in a bench wise and file till the required dimensions are achieved. Now for the lower part, now we will do it. Previously how we has done for the male part, similarly we will do the for the lower part. Now from the bottom, mark 20 mm. Please note it's not 22, it's 20 mm. From the bottom, mark 20 mm. After that, from the bottom, take a distance of 10 mm and then mark it. Now rotate the workpiece by 180 degree and similarly mark 10 mm on the other side. After that, mark 22 mm from bottom. Now draw the V. Now draw the V here. Now draw the V here. After that, do the punching for this. So this is how the punching is being done. So this is what you are doing it for the internal section. Internal side you are doing it. Now next is hold the workpiece on vice. See how it is being held. And you have to cut the metal from inside. Make sure that you have to keep allowance of 0.5 to 1 mm. Now cut it. Similarly do it on the other side. Fine. Now we can see, just check the previous slide what has been done. Now, both the side it has been cut, and after cutting when the material is being removed, make sure that you have to file it properly with the help of triangular file, as well as we can take help of square file. File it in such a way that a finish is achieved, and up to a particular dimension you have to file it. Once the filing is being done, check whether both the upper part and lower part are getting fixed with each other. If it is not, file it as per the required dimension till the proper fit is achieved. So this is the final fit that is being achieved. So this is how you have to do the V fitting. Thank you.